Yeah, this is crazy. I feel like I've never lived this
slung down.
What's going on, my beautiful people? It's your boy Alex, aka Alex Garfe, aka Garf, aka Garfe, aka whatever you guys want to call me. My friends call me Garf, my friends call me Garfe, so whatever suits you is cool with me. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, I share lifestyle vlogs, I share vegan recipes, and also fitness videos. Today is one of those fitness videos. I'm gonna be heading to the gym here shortly, gonna be doing some weighted calisthenics. I'm gonna be doing some weighted dips, some weighted pull-ups, and we'll see whatever else. A couple days ago, I did some weighted calisthenics, and I was not sore like that for a long time. So I really liked the workout that we did. I like the results that I received these last couple days. Just been feeling real pumped up, and all I was doing was body weight workout, obviously with weight added. But man, those pull-ups and those dips, they'll really get you going. So gonna be doing another one of those days today. I'll make sure to film that for you guys. Got the GoPro ready, so I'm not gonna bring this big boy in there, but I'll show you guys with the GoPro. Got this coconut water drinking up, just mixed it with a little bit of creatine right before I hit the gym. So I will see you guys when we get into the gym. Let's go. All right, so here I just wanted to start off with some muscle ups. Obviously you see Tyler, he does those muscle ups like they're nothing. I went over to the leg press, did 245s on each side, so about 90 pounds, and then a little bit of the calf raises. This was just having a little bit of fun here. And then this is the real stuff here, 90 pounds. As you can see, it's really tough for me. I got a hurt shoulder, so it's really hard for me to go all the way down. But you can see here, Tyler just does it like it's nothing. Not like it's nothing, but you know, makes it look a little easier than I do at least. And then he's doing dips with 90 pounds here. And then I just did some windshield wipers here, trying to perfect those. And then I tried to do the dips with 90 pounds, but it was not happening. As you can see, it was really tough. I could not get myself all the way up, almost halfway, but just didn't work out. But it's all right. I'm really not that good at dips, so to do with 90 pounds in the beginning is not even smart. But here, just doing pull-ups with the 45 pounds. And obviously I didn't film everything because it'd probably bore you guys out. So here, just doing some regular dips, and then Tyler doing it with the 45 like it's nothing. Going all the way down in the dips. He is a master at the dips as well. Just getting full angles here. And then we just started going down in weight. So here I just started doing the 35 pounds, and then we dropped to 25, and then we just did regular body weight, no weights. I did this voiceover for you guys just because we weren't really talking that much, and the GoPro microphone is just not that good. So I figured I'd do a voiceover over it. All in all, that was a really good workout. I was really sore the next day. And yeah, here Tyler goes with, I think, the 25, I'm pretty sure. Or is that 35? I can't tell anymore. But yeah, we started with the 90, then dropped to 45, and then dropped 35, and then to 25. And just doing the dips like it's nothing. Like I said, I'm not that good at those, but that's why we're working on it. We're getting better at it. So here's the 25, I believe. So the other one was 35. So this is the 25 now. So this is the 25 pounds here. As you can see, we're just pretty much doing drop sets. Started with the 90, then to 45, then 35, and then now 25. Then we do body weight. I'm not exactly sure if I got that on film, just because, like I said, I'm not going to film everything. But yeah, then doing the dips here with the 25 as well. I don't remember how many I was trying to get right there, but. And then here's Tyler pulling up with the 25. And then dipping with the 25 pounds as well. And then here's a little physique update. Let you guys see how we're looking. Physique update. Close up on the scar. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, looking thick up top. Yeah. Super shred. Yeah, this is crazy. I feel like I've never lived this
Slung down. Tatted up vato.
Feels super tight.
You just leaned up.
For real. It's that calisthenics. Got back from the gym, and weighted calisthenics is a way to get pumped. I don't know if you could tell from the GoPro footage at the end, but I was feeling super tight, super pumped. I just had 3 egg rolls that Tyler dropped off yesterday that his mom made, and she makes some really delicious cooking. I don't know if you guys seen the pad thai before, but check my Instagram You guys can see the pad thai there. Just scroll down a little bit because it was like probably like I would say 4 weeks ago. But I ate 3 of those egg rolls and they were delicious. But had to get that protein shake in right now. Got a half a scoop of Sun Warrior vanilla and half a scoop of the Sun Warrior berry mixed with some of that Eden soy milk. And I'm gonna be drinking this down. Then I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and I'm gonna get a pizza dough and make a pizza.
Spot. Oh, nice parking job, Prius. Hey, that was beautiful parking right there. Look at that. Trader Joe's. First things first, gotta get some pizza dough, maybe get some cheese from here, and then some toppings for the pizza. So let's go. Here's the dough right here. You got this whole wheat, and you got the regular garlic herb. Gotta check the date on it though. 311. I'll get 2 of these bad boys right here. I can't tell if I'm mad or not. They got none. I guess that's a good thing though, right? Record timing, in and out of there within a minute and a half. Just kidding, maybe like 2 minutes, but they didn't have vegan cheese. So I'm gonna go to Natural Grocers, get some vegan cheese. Let's go. Aren't expensive. Maybe I'm gonna get a different one this time. I think I'm gonna try this one. It's not as healthy, but it is what it is. Mozzarella style. That should be good. Should I get any meats? Look at this vegan section just popping. So much stuff here. Hello. Well, hey, what's up? Yeah. You know what? I also got these from Trader Joe's. Chili spice mango. I had these a long time ago. They're really good. Ingredients aren't that bad either. Time to get going.
All right, guys, here we are. I got this dough right here. Gonna open this up, spread it out on this pan. Preheating the oven to 450, so it's gonna take about 6 minutes. Gives me enough time to spread this dough out and wash the mushrooms. A little bit of avocado oil here. Can we get a perfect circle, guys? Can we do it? I don't know. We'll find out. I'm gonna dock it as well, but I'm gonna wait a second to dock it. And docking it basically means poking the holes, that way the heat can come through and cook your toppings. So you can see it actually shrunk back a little bit, quite a bit. Keep stretching it out, let it know that this is where it's supposed to be. You're not gonna shrink back on us. All right, gonna wash the mushrooms now. I think it's all angels just walk by. Got a nice little ladle. You want to get it to go to the edges as much as you can because that crust is going to rise and spread. You guys see the spots that I'm missing? I know it's probably annoying to be like, oh, you're missing that spot. That's how I always do when I watch videos. And then you think about it and you're like, well, you know what? They're moving pretty quick, so what you gonna do? All right, now I'm gonna crumble some tofu on top. Just crumble it all up with your hands. A block right here. Not a whole block, obviously. A quarter of a block that I cut. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited for this. Voila, there it is. I'm gonna cut this bad boy open right now. Check it out, guys. Wow, what a sight to see right there. Taste test, here we go. As you saw, I didn't spice the tofu at all. I thought that might be an issue. Doesn't seem to be an issue since I sprinkled some salt and pepper on the top. And that cheese has quite a bit of sodium in it. Not a lot, but it has sodium in it. But the mushrooms were also unseasoned, so it needed a little bit of salt and pepper on top. But yeah, flavors are all there. This is really good. I'm probably gonna finish the whole pizza if I can. We'll see. It's been like 2 hours since I left the gym. So this is the post-workout meal now. You know I had that protein shake, had a couple egg rolls, but here is the real post-workout refeed. That aged nut cheese, really good. Recommend it. Also cheaper than the Miyoko's. Ingredients aren't as clean. It has yeast extract in it, which I don't know if you guys know, but yeast extract is also another form of MSG. That's another way they can name it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I read that a long time ago and I'm pretty sure that it is accurate. It is a flavor additive, but it is one of the last ingredients. So being the last ingredient, that means that's the least amount that they used of it. The dough came out really good as well. Usually I have a hard time on cooking it all the way through. That's why I let it sit another 5 minutes and it looks like it worked perfect. It is cooked all the way through. I know you guys want to keep watching me eat, but you know what's coming next. I gotta sit down, I gotta enjoy the meal. I don't want to stand while I'm eating it. But yes, this pizza is really good. If you guys want to try it, please do so. I definitely recommend it. It's so delicious. That aged nut cheese, I'll put the brand right here. That way you guys can see that. So I definitely recommend this pizza. It's very easy to make, very quick. As you guys saw, I rolled out the dough, only put some mushrooms and some tofu and that aged cheese on there, the aged mozzarella, vegan mozzarella, of course, and it turned out perfect. Little salt and pepper, that tomato sauce. Keep it simple. I'm not gonna say stupid, but keep it simple. It wins the game. It's really tasty as well, and yeah, I'll see you guys here in a second after I finish this pizza. What's going on, my beautiful people? If you made it to the end of this video, I want to thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys did enjoy the video. I hope that this video inspires you to go out there and make a vegan pizza from scratch. Don't always have to buy the Daya pizza. I like the Daya, whatever it's called. I like those ones a lot, but I also like making my own pizza from time to time because you can control all the ingredients and what you put on it and whatnot. It was a very simple pizza, but like I said, keep it simple. It was very delicious as well and super easy to make. So all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I want to thank you guys once again. If you guys did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you in the next video. Deuce.
There goes a sight from my soul.